Wyatt, team owner of late model stock car number 29 out here at Langley Speedway. We're here today to tell you about the students at ATI. It has been a great pleasure having them a part of our NASCAR team each and every week.
It's very fast-paced. It is faster paced than I would have thought it was. Because you can see them do it on TV and stuff like that, but you don't realize how fast you have to move until you're actually doing it. It's a lot of work. You know, you learn something new every day.
This partnership is a good fit because just the opportunity it creates for teams, the Speedway, and the program that can come out and work on these teams. I just think it's a great opportunity.
So the first night I was out here, the lights were flashing, I had the headphones on. During the race, I felt like I was in a real movie. It's a real feeling with the lights going and everybody's cheering in the crowd. It's a real great feeling to have. So with this being my first year as an intern, they really had me doing a lot of everything. One week I was in charge of the tires, one week I was in charge of the gas, another week I was in charge of handling the shocks. With the shop experience that I've gotten at ATI, it's very similar. They're very strict about safety. They are very strict about things being on right, torque down to a certain spec.
To me, it impressed me that they had enough drive to want to be here first, but then stick it out once they learned out, you know, it's not all fun and games. They come in through the gate knowing that we're going to a racetrack. They recognize the intensity of the importance of being right and accurate.
It builds on top of the things that we do in the shop. Working in the pit crew is different than just working on any old street car. These cars are literally made to be pushed to their limits. It really humbles you because, like I said, you can win consecutively and then lose. So it's just trying to keep your wits about you, keep a calm mind, and just put your best foot forward.
They're in school to learn, and we're out here learning in a completely different environment. They're actually really good from all that street car stuff they learn. Every car is different in the street car world, so you have to adapt and learn and change what you're doing very quickly. We all kind of put it in their hands and let them do the same thing we do. We don't hold anything back from them. We get to all build and grow together. We're hard to beat when we're all together.
I definitely look forward to being here on my Saturdays because I am an adrenaline junkie, so it does fulfill that. There's a lot more that goes into racing than the average person would know. It is definitely a team effort. Everybody has a part to play.